IKEA, looking at stuff, ideas for the house. IKEA is probably, actually it's one of our favorite places to come over because we got a lot of things that you can look at, and it gives you, lets you know how you can arrange things. For example, we're looking at this bathroom.
So what the thing you like about IKEA?
It has a lot of room setups that you can do, and you can actually feel the furniture, see how it feels, see everything that it has to offer. And if you don't like it, you can use different things. So it gives you the basic setups. That's what I like. It gives you good home ideas.
And the price is good, right?
Prices are really good. I like IKEA. No, that was for me. No, that says, see, it says right there, this chair belongs to Dad. Give me the money out there. Give me the money out there. Give me money. Money box. Yes, give me the money and I'll get it for you. If not, I'm gonna get it for me. I'm getting that chair. You want to go play with them? Huh? Just a little, be careful. Right now. Yeah.
Ah, nó fly inside too. Like this, like. See? Want to try? Everywhere. See? Not that one. Not that one. But another one can put a lot of things. Right here. We can put a lot of things. Ah, one dress. And look like so wait. One, two. That was
I have to build it and everything. Pretty much looking at everything, then building everything.
so nice, right?
Yeah.
Step one, 190. Looks so nice, right? You like it? The black one?
Black one.
With the one, like, a touch of like this. And the same. The same, the big one like this. No, second. Not bad, right?
Yeah.
I don't like the one thing was when we have the big thing, not easy to do, right? Đó, nice. This one, see? With the over and 1, 2, 3, 4. They want a little expensive, yes, I want they want about 700. 2, 1, okay. 1, 1,000. Even the ones that have not a price. This one about 400. This one 270. Nice. Nice. Come in, slide in. I think every kitchen should have one salt. You stay here? You know.
What you doing? What are you doing? Hmm? Oh, yeah?
Two chairs.
No.
Good afternoon, IKEA visitors. Would Mr. Eric Robinson please return to Small Land? Would Miss Sarah Wright please return to Small Land? Thank you.
They want the gender diverse. And then put everything in there. Wait,
Yeah.
in a small one, the hot one.
That's big.
If we buy this one for iPhone, see them
And beat the meatballs. You gotta get them when you're over here. Gives me up some coffee, some salmon, some desserts to go along with it. We make it a day right here. Come, we see everything that IKEA has to offer. Then we like to sit down for a nice either dinner or lunch.
And
Right?
it's so cheap, right?
Yeah. Now $30 for all this right here. Good
One
for dessert.
thing, see? Everything.
Yeah.
They even have the playground for the kids.
Really good. Good eatings. Bon appetit.